Hello, Brian and Dean. What should we know regarding ETN and ELN for all exams? I'll add a Scotty for all exams. This is on all exams. I would know that the exchange traded note, the N is the keyword. The equity linked note is the keyword. I would know that ETNs and ELNs are debt instruments. They are debt securities as contrasted to ETFs, exchange traded funds, which are equity investments. They're going to make you contrast on all these exams, ETFs with ETNs and ELNs. Heightened suitability. I'm going to turn over to Brian in just a sec. The other thing I would know about these is since it's a debt instrument, again, test question, you have default risk, right? Like you would have in any other debt instrument that the issuer or sponsor or distributor of the equity linked note or the exchange traded note doesn't make good on paying you the return on the referenced index. Brian, you would add to that?
That for Series 7 specifically, you just hit the nail right on the head. It's about two things. It's a note, therefore its sensitivity to interest rates and bond ratings, right? It's going to have a bond rating, or the underlying bond is going to have a bond rating, right? The second thing, of course, is the suitability. These things are tied to an equity index, S&P 500. Look what happened yesterday to the equity index, right? For a normal fixed income investor, that wouldn't be too suitable if they just lost 8% of the value.
I'm totally with you, Brian. Heightened suitability.
Exactly.
Brian, yesterday I thought it was kind of interesting as well. You get tested on the VIX. And the test question about the VIX, the fear index, as it goes the other way. So as that market was dropping, the VIX was up 50%. Yeah. Right, because it goes has that negative correlation to the actual market. So right on.
For just in case for Series 65, 66, be careful. They may hide the ETN by calling it a structured product.
Yeah, that means structured.
But I don't know if that term shows up on the 17. I know it doesn't.
Structured products always mean heightened suitability.
That's right.
I would throw in there like a 2x inverse leveraged ETF would be a structured product as well. Right. And they always on structured products, heightened suitability. There's a whole category of men and women in what are called structured finance. And I joke, Brian, that what they do is cut up pieces of paper into various exotic things,